I'm Bruce Breitmeyer. I'm the former Adirondack Forest Property Manager for the SUNY ESF and worked here for about 41 years. I'm now retired. I've been retired for about a year and a half. Today we're at the Newcomb campus and we're sitting on the shores of Rich Lake. For the past several months I've been working on a rehab project of the Goodnow Mountain Fire Tower, which is owned by the college and needed some major upgrades and repair work, and we started on the project probably 10 years ago. Today it's almost done. They lifted the steel work up there for new steps. They lifted by helicopter, lifted a new roof that the old roof was blowing off. It was about half blown off. Tower has been there, I think it's been over 100 years now. I think it was about 1922, I believe, when it was put up.
My name is Catherine Hobbs. I'm a contract and compliance business manager for facilities planning, design, and construction at the State University of New York College of Environmental Science and Forestry. I'm a former student here, and so it's particularly meaningful for me, to be able to give back in this, to help our institution, our great institution. It's been a long time coming for this project, and it's one that everyone at SUNY ESF is extremely excited about. There's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears that went into getting to this day, and so that's why we're all so excited and, just really looking forward to celebrating.
My name is Elizabeth Parsons. I am a senior project manager in the SUNY ESF facilities department. It's our responsibility as stewards of this mountain to keep it safe and accessible to the general public. The main purpose of this project was the safe rehabilitation of this fire tower to allow future generations to continue to use and appreciate the fire tower, and to hopefully give them that love of the Adirondacks, the love of nature. It's more than just adding new stair treads and landings and a roof. It's our way to give back to everybody else.
It kind of brings a tear to the eye to see a project finished like that. The tower will be in good shape. It will probably last another 100 years.